Well, football is, of course, ultimately just a game, but for the next 2 hours, it might not feel like that. It's like a big game. Everyone involved is absolutely up for it. There's the whistle, and here we go.
I think Pavel Nedved's going to have a starring role here, Peter. Being two-footed, he can operate both as a traditional and as an inverted winger. So he always offers you that option, hugging the line or coming inside.
Very versatile, isn't he?
Yeah, and then there's that trademark run from deep.
So the defence are going to have their hands full.
You can say that again.
And he's managed to get free. Oh, he's been flattened there. Oh, he's brought it. It is a penalty to open the scoring. And that is precisely what he showed.
I just think the keeper committed himself too early.
So the game's first significant moment, and it's come earlier than perhaps we anticipated. And it's Messi. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Guehi cuts out the pass. And this is Forlan. Strong running down that left flank. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, it's a loose touch and the ball is anyone's. Neymar was ultimately thwarted there, but it took a few of them to stop him.
Well, I think it's good he took the opportunity to run at that back line. I'm sure it won't deter him either.
So just a one early goal to report so far. 1-0 the score. And here's Messi. Rice. Messi is always scanning the pitch for targets. Referee has just said play on. Oh, well played. Ah, he's given it away. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Out to the right. Now it's Kubo. Kubo making good progress on the right-hand side. He is through here. Milan upping the intensity here, having lost possession.
Yeah, it's actually very good pressing. They want it back as quickly as they can get it, and they're hunting in packs to do just that.
Good to watch.
It really is. It's rugged and robust, but...
Oh, what a climb!
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Ronaldinho. Rodri running with the ball. He's tried one! And he looked every bit the assured keeper there.
That's very, very good. You cannot...
Cristiano Ronaldo! Milan are looking to go forward now. It's a good foot in there. And it's Kubo. Rice. Kubo. Ronaldo. Costa Curta. Oh, nicely intercepted. 5 minutes are up. A very combative, competitive half with just the one decisive moment. It's been compelling stuff.
Well, I don't mind admitting I wasn't expecting that. Still, I'm not complaining about a very good match with a surprising scoreline. Just don't ask me for a prediction, please.
And the action is back on the way. Al Nassr carrying a one-goal lead. Wriggles his way through. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! And he has kept it out somehow.
Cristiano Ronaldo clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
And here's Messi. And this is Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Yeah, he
Could be danger here. And Messi!
He was berating his defence before making the save, and he's at it again now.
Zanetti. Al Nassr are still that goal to the good. And here's Mbappe. So we've reached the hour mark. Now it's Messi. And it's been played through. And this is Ronaldo. He's through, now is he in? And he shoots! He's scoring better and better. They forced the error and extracted the maximum punishment.
The danger was always there, Peter. We all knew they'd be pouncing on any slip or any sort of indecision. They need to sharpen up or it's going to happen again.
Chance for a shot!
I think that's just more proof that this team is very comfortable playing on the break. They're really swift.
And that has put paid to that. Well, we expected better, and so did he. Stojkovic, and this is Forlan. Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. Yehi gets it away. Gerrard, he's having a go. It's anyone's ball now. Rodri. And he cuts out the supply. Gerrard. Looking for the run. That's been cut out, well played. Messi. Messi! Yes! They are pulling clear here. On perfection.
Oh, that's an incredible shot. The dip and the curl he managed to get on it.